welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make your post private. So the first thing you need to do is open up your app, the Rednote app, and now I want to make our post private. Let's say we created a post and we made it public before, and I want to make it private. How do we do it? Very simple. Just click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen, then you click on the post itself, and at the bottom here there are some options, but that's not what's needed. What's needed at the top, the three dots at the top right corner. Click on it, and then to bring you to this part of sharing. Now under this we have new group, we have snapshots, we have edits, we have promote, we have copy link, we have authorization, we have delete. Click on authorization, and then you've given these options. We have public, invisible selected users, visible selected users, visible to friends, and private. Simply click on private. You've made your post to be private. It's as simple as that. You can also decide to make it visible to only a few people by following the same steps. You can make it visible to only your friends, or you can make it visible to a few selected users, and then you select that. You can see I have, this is a new account, I have no mutual friends and followers to choose. So but you would do so, just click on the person or the group of people you want it to be visible to alone. Then if you want it to be only invisible to some group of people, you can choose the second option here after public and choose people that you want the post to be invisible to. It's as simple as that. So that is how to make your post private in Rednote. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.